How to use Quantum quick and easy. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be talking about Quantum, which is a blockchain platform, and it also has their own crypto token. So let's get into it. Now, what is Quantum? What is the platform about? What is the blockchain about? And would it be a suitable investment for you to invest in this token? Let's cover all of that. Now, if you're a beginner, don't worry, we're going to simplify everything so it's better understandable to everyone over here. So Quantum is basically a blockchain platform that is open source. So it is based on the public. The public is developing it, leveraging the security from the UTXO. So it is not a Ethereum-based blockchain. You need to understand that a lot of the other blockchains that we often talk about are Ethereum-based. This is their own public source, how they have sourced this from the public, and then they have used the UTXO securities. And you have the Quantum is a POS-based decentralized governance protocol, which allows specific blockchain settings to be modified by making the use of smart contracts. So the block size of a Quantum can be increased without having a hard fork that would usually be necessary in a blockchain like Ethereum. So they use the UTXO model. They have proof of stakes with value transference and smart contracts. Now their blockchain is ready for business. It is a business-friendly smart contract platform. It is credible, and it is a very sensible and legitimate way to use a decentralized application platform. Plus, they also have enterprise blockchain services as well. The reason that they are unique and they are different is because of the decentralized governance protocol. They also have an abstract layer account, which enables you to remain anonymous when you are trading on their blockchain platform. And you also have NFTs, so you can create your own NFTs with this multi-token standard. And you also have a global network, a wallet ecosystem, and development resources on the Quantum platform as well. They have a lot of different nodes, over 500 in different continents, so you can find a node anywhere. And they have a ecosystem for their wallets as well. You have a desktop, mobile, web, and hardware application to create your own Quantum wallet specifically as well. So if we take a look at the Quantum blockchain, it is quite a product and they have quite a few different things going on. You can see Quantum is a layer 1 blockchain. It is combining Bitcoin security system of UTXO account model with smart contracts like Ethereum. So it is like the best of both worlds. If I was to say, it allows you Ethereum smart contracts with the securities of Bitcoin. So if we take a look at the actual token that is provided by Quantum, so that is what a lot of you might be here for today, is to better understand the Quantum token, what it's ranking at, what the price is, and what are the futures for this Quantum token. Now, the Quantum token is also known as Quantum. It is QTUM, and it is ranked 100 according to CoinMarketCap presently, and it is present on over 150k watch list. The overall market cap is around 275 million, with a fully diluted market cap of 284 million and a 24-hour trading volume of 56 million. And it has quite a large circulating supply of over 104 million. Now, the maximum supply available for this specific Quantum token is 107 million. And if we take a look at the volatility of this actual token, so how volatile is this token? Is it going to be increasing, decreasing? What are the future predictions for this token? Well, if we take a look at the one-day chart, it is really difficult to predict any kind of stable price predictions, but currently the price of Quantum is $2.64, and it has gone down 1.2%, but the overall crypto market, such as BTC and Ethereum, have also gone down. Ethereum went down by 2.22%, and BTC went down by 0.91%. So it's not really Quantum's fault. A lot of these smaller tokens are going to follow suit with BTC and Ethereum. So you really do have to expect that to happen. Now, if we take a look at the weekly chart of Quantum, you can see it has a steady declining slope. And what this actually might mean for a long-term investor, I'm not talking about someone that if you're looking for a quick way to cash out, then Quantum is not it. This is for people that are looking for a long-term investment or a slightly longer investment. Then Quantum is probably a good option for you. The reason for that is it is currently down and it's going to remain down for a while. Now, for a while, I usually mean 3 to 4 months if you're looking for a quick cop out. So you can see the 1-month chart of Quantum is like a relatively stable to stable kind of price. It has been, around this price point quite a bit, but usually when it does go down to to this price. When it previously went down to this price, it went down to $2.39, but then it usually, whenever it goes down this much, it goes up to $3, $3.1. So there is a lot of potential with quantum, even for medium-term investors. But in general, what I do recommend is, for most people, it is not going to be an easy investment. If you can't hold money for over a year, then it is not for you. But if you can hold your money for around 5 months, 4 months in this token, now is the best time to invest, because whenever this coin has dropped to this kind of price, it usually goes back up to $3.3 or $3.1, and that is going to do your money 2x. So not 2x, but around 1x at least, and 1.5x. So it is going to be a good investment, and it's going to give you a lot more profitability than if you were to leave your money out there. Even if you take a look at the quantum chart over here on Binance, overall the initial pump and dump is present for any kind of crypto market, but you can see in terms of the availability of this coin, we have a potential for growth right now. We have the overall slopes. Whenever the price falls to this level, there is a hike after that. So that is what we are expecting over here. Now, if you want to buy quantum, then you can go onto any crypto platform like Binance over here, click on buy crypto, click on credit/debit card, buy the BNB coin. So you can directly buy quantum off Binance. So you will actually have to buy BNB, which is the Binance token, and then you can go on over here into the Binance spot trade and then spot trade your tokens, the USDT or the Binance token that you have for quantum. So that is one option that you can go with if you're looking to actually purchase quantum. It is presently not available directly. So you can see over here, it's not available presently to buy directly in terms of dollars. So you're going to have to buy USDT or BNB to purchase quantum on the Binance platform. Or you can also go ahead and download the quantum wallet. That often gives you more options to buy quantum as well. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to follow along with these methods and techniques that I showed in this video. And if you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible, because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And if you have any details that you might want to know, any suggestions, any improvements that you think that I could add on to these videos, then please do leave them in the comment box down below, and I will make future videos according to those. And if you have any specific topics that you look forward to, also leave those in the comment box down below, and I will try to make videos on those as well. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.